Are you tired of the limitations of Linktree? Whether you're a creator entrepreneur or just looking to enhance your online presence, I've got you covered. Let's explore the top 5 Linktree alternatives that could level up your link in bio game. 1. Taplink. Starting off strong with Taplink. A fantastic choice for maximizing leads and sales. It comes with powerful features like online payments. 2. Beacons. Next, we have Beacons. Built for creators and influencers, it not only organizes your links, but also helps you monetize your content with an online storefront. A game changer for content creators. 3. Stan. At number 3, there's Stan. Think of it as a digital storefront right in your bio. Sell services, products, or anything else directly to your audience. 4. Koji. Fourth on the list is Koji, an interactive platform perfect for engaging with your fans. Want to run polls, quizzes, or interactive content? Koji has got your back. 5. Shorby. And finally, there's Shorby. Sleek, professional, and functional. It lets you create smart pages and even connect a custom domain for a professional touch. So, which of these Linktree alternatives caught your eye? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your network, and subscribe for more tips and insights. See you in the next video.